All right, what's up, y'all? So this truck's airbag sensors are bad. I'm going down to the junkyard to see if we can find some used ones. Don't recommend doing this. These sensors are very expensive new. These sensors are like $100 to $350 new. You can get them at the junkyard for like $1 or $2, right? Disclaimer, if you mess with your airbag system and something goes wrong, you know, it goes off, it doesn't go off, whatever happens, I'm not responsible for any damages. This is what I'm doing and it's gonna work well for me. See what we got. Okay, airbag lights flashing. Service airbag, there it is. That is annoying. Let's see what the scanner's saying. All right, so I got my scan tool plugged up. If you want to check out this video, check it out up here. I'll link to it. It's under body. Supplemental and inflatable restraint. DTC. Electronic front end sensor 2 performance. So that should be the passenger side. Let's swap it out and see if it fixes it. There's the code number, B0103. So the airbag sensors are right up in here. We got one down in there. If you can see, the sun's not behaving. Right there. And there's another one hidden down in there. They're at the front bumper. Let's go see what we can find. Man, look at all of them. So we need a Silverado, an Avalanche, something. Hopefully we'll get lucky.
Ooh, this thing is destroyed. This is not what you want. You can see it was obviously hitting the front. The sensors are gonna be no good.
I managed to find 2 at a junkyard. I wouldn't recommend this, you know, if they've been set off, but we're gonna test them. Whatever you do, don't buy them off of a wrecked truck, please. Here's the new used sensor off of that truck from the junkyard. So you can see the part number right here, how it compares to the new one. Apparently there's like 4 different part numbers and they all interchange. If it looks like this, it'll work. Don't take my word for that. That's just what I read. You gotta disconnect the battery before you mess with the airbags. So the sensor's right there. It's not too bad to get to. You just gotta get in there with a pick and pop that plastic piece out. Here's the old one on top versus the new one on bottom. You can see the part number's different. There's a guy on eBay I read, he tests these all the time and he says that they'll interchange. So if they look the same and they plug up, they should work. But we're gonna test it ourselves and see. All right, let's hook this battery back up. It's testing. No airbag light. It's fixed. And it's fixed. The code is gone. Well, that worked great. We didn't have to pay $350, $700 for the pair. You know, we got these for $2 at the junkyard. Check y'all in the next one. Later.